Now, every Indian can do data giving. Let me begin my words with a dedication. In the journey of time, there come a few life-changing movements. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi's inspiring vision of a digital India is one such movement. Jio is dedicated to realizing our Prime Minister's vision for 1.2 billion Indians. Jio will give the power of data to each Indian to fulfill every dream and to collectively take India to global digital leadership. With these words, I want to dedicate the commencement of Jio to the digital India vision of our Prime Minister, to my fellow 1.2 billion Indians and India. Why did we call our venture Jio? Why is our motto Jio Digital Life? Permit me to articulate the philosophy that has given birth to Jio. The world is at the beginning of a digital revolution. Anything and everything that can go digital is going digital at an exponential rate, faster than what you and I can imagine. I believe in the next 20 years, as a human civilization, we will collectively achieve more than what has been achieved in the last 300 years. We are at the beginning of a new era of humanity. In this era, if you are not digital and if you don't have globally competitive digital tools and skills, you simply will not survive. You will get disrupted. Today, India is ranked 155th in the world for mobile broadband internet access out of 230 countries. Jio is conceived to change this. I have no doubt that with the launch of Jio, India's rank will go up to among the top 10 in the world. 1.2 billion Indians cannot be left behind as the world enters a new era. We have the youngest population in the world. Give them affordable digital tools. Give them the skills. Give them the environment. They will surprise us. It is this opportunity to transform India and transform the lives of our 1.2 billion Indians that motivated Reliance to invest in this space. And Jio is the result. We have called it Jio because Jio means to live. Digital technologies open the doors to this life, the digital life. However, life cannot survive without oxygen. Data is the oxygen of digital life, and oxygen must never be in short supply. Worse still, the supply of oxygen for digital life must never be unaffordable for any user. Doing so shows disrespect for life. Jio respects life, which is why Reliance created Jio. Jio is more than just a business for us. Jio is a solemn commitment to enrich the life of every Indian. A digital India where the digital life of no Indian is ever threatened by scarcity, poor quality, or unaffordability of data. Where access to information knows no barriers. Where quality education reaches the most inaccessible corners of the country driven by digital learning. Where quality healthcare percolates right up to the remotest regions powered by e-healthcare. Where farmers are empowered with real-time information to be connected with global markets. Where mobile and e-banking ensures financial inclusion. Where connected Indians drive innovation and the world looks to India for the next big idea. This is our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi's vision for Digital India. The Jio ecosystem stands tall on 5 fundamental pillars. First, the best quality broadband network with the highest capacity. Second, a world of affordable 4G smartphones and wireless IP devices. Third, compelling applications and content. Fourth, superior digital service experiences. And fifth, affordable and simple tariffs. Let me start with the first pillar, the network. All communications on the internet is done using a digital language called the Internet Protocol, or IP for short. All smartphones, all computers, all the servers that sit in the back end, in fact, each and every participant on the internet speaks IP. In the ensuing future, even household items like televisions, refrigerators, air conditioners, washing machines, and even light bulbs will talk IP. With the launch of Jio, India's digital mother tongue will be IP, Jio's IP. With this single digital mother tongue, we will connect all of India into a single family and a single united nation. The all IP design also makes Jio's network the most extensive and future-proof network in the world. It is a network built for ever-increasing volumes of data and the best that the internet has to offer. Jio is a data-strong network built for the internet from the ground up. Today, Jio's network already covers 18,000 cities and towns and over 2 lakh villages. By March 2017, we will cover 90% of India's population. Jio is the first mobile network in the country that is only 4G LTE. This means that there is only 4G on Jio network and not mostly 2G, sometimes 3G, and once in a while 4G. We have also deployed the largest 100% voice over LTE network. VoLTE provides crystal clear voice and video quality, instant call connectivity, the least call drops, and a unique ability to use voice and data simultaneously on the phone. And it can easily be upgraded to support even more data as technologies advance to 5G, 6G, and beyond. Because of this, we will be able to provide an abundance of high quality, high speed data and transform India from a high priced data market to one with the lowest data rates anywhere in the world. So today, Reliance Digital is introducing a line of super affordable 4G LTE smartphones under our popular Life brand. The smartphones starting at 2,999. Jio offers a suite of applications that brings you the very best across categories of media, entertainment, money, and essential utilities. With Jio TV, any time is prime time. Jio Cinema brings the cinema theater at your fingertips. Watch HD movies from a library of over 6,000 movies, more than 60,000 music videos, and over 1 lakh episodes of television in all 10 languages. The Jio Music app makes Ultra HD music a reality with a library of 10 million songs in over 10 languages. Jio magazines and Jio newspapers give access to thousands of latest magazines and your daily newspaper digitally. Jio Money is your personal wallet that allows you to go cashless. I believe that these apps will really showcase the capability of Jio's powerful network and create a a magical experience of Jio digital life for customers. With this in mind, I am today pleased to announce that the Jio apps bouquet, which is worth rupees 15,000 for an annual subscription, will be available complimentary, completely free for all active Jio customers all the way right up to the end of next year, that is up to December 31st, 2017. For the past few months, we have been offering Jio services to some sections of users on a preview basis. We have redesigned the Jio sign-up experience and made it 100% digital using an Aadhaar-based eKYC process. We are rolling this out starting with Mumbai and Delhi today. For our customers' journey post sign-up, we have created an app called MyJio. MyJio is your digital companion for every stage of your digital life. It is one place from where you can conveniently initiate the sign-up process, get ongoing access to your accounts, check your balance and bills, make payments, chat with the customer service agent, and even find and launch all the Jio applications from one convenient location on your smartphone. Let me walk you through three simple principles on which Jio's tariffs are built. The first principle: customers should pay for only one service, either voice or data, not both. World over, operators charge only for data, while voice and messaging are essentially free. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I have great pleasure in announcing a revolutionary concept for the Indian market. All voice calls for Jio customers will be absolutely free. The era of paying for voice calls is ending. Jio will usher India into this new era. No Jio customer will ever pay for voice calls again across India to any network. And in the spirit of One India, roaming charges will also be zero across India. Our second principle is data must be affordable. Jio's advanced technologies and scale allow us to provide cutting-edge services at a fraction of its traditional cost. And I believe that Jio customers should be the first to benefit from this. The advantage of technology should be passed on to all customers. The current market practice is to charge for data a base rate of between 4,000 and 10,000 rupees a gigabit. Jio will have a base rate which is 1/10 of this. Our data plans go even further with an effective rate of data of only 5 paise per MB or 50 rupees a GB. And the more data you use, lower the rate. I believe that these are the absolute lowest data rates anywhere in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, Jio makes India the highest quality, lowest price data market in the world. That pricing structure should be simple for every Indian to understand. Today, there are more than 22,000 telecom tariffs across the country. Jio's pricing structure has only 10 main plans. These plans are created to ensure that every user can easily find a plan that fits their budget and their data needs. Friends, Jio transforms India from an affordable voice and very high price data market to a zero voice and the lowest price data markets in the world. Today, for all our customers, we will also remove the following pain points. No more blackout days. When you need to message on Diwali or New Year, operators charge you double the rate. On Jio, there is no more blackout. No more non-transparent, difficult to understand bills. On Jio, after every transaction, you will see your bill real time. You don't have to wait up to the end of the month. Let me point out some key aspects. We have price points starting from rupees 19 per day for the occasional data users to a monthly rupees 149 plan for the light data user, and all the way up to a monthly rupees 4,999 plan for the heaviest data user. So Jio provides, and as data is the digital oxygen, it should be available to all Indians. So we provide this all the way from 150 rupees a month to 5,000 rupees a month. Data packs available in the market have an effective rate today of 250 rupees a GB. With Jio, you pay 5 to 10 times. So we are bringing this 250 per GB, and you can optimize to 50 rupees a GB, and if you use more data, then you can go all the way down to 25 rupees a GB. Unlimited nighttime LTE data. This is designed to pass on the idle network capacity at the night to all our customers. We are also designing Jio applications in such a way that our customers can program their downloads to happen during the night. So when you are sleeping, the network is working for you to reduce your data cost. Jio is rolling out Wi-Fi hotspots across India. By the middle of next year, we will deploy nearly 1 million Wi-Fi spots. So, in your plan, we have added additional Wi-Fi data in our plans. This means that our users have another way to use broadband data in colleges, schools, and other public places to reduce their overall data costs. For international calling, Jio plans to give you the best ever international calling rates. And each of these plans come with an unlimited subscription to every Jio app. With a valid student ID card, will be able to get 25% more data on Jio's main tariffs. In addition, Jio is in the process of connecting majority of India's schools and colleges with Wi-Fi to provide broadband wireless access to students in their classrooms. So friends, let us now take a moment to review the powerful offerings that Jio has unveiled today. First, India's only all-IP, data-strong, made for video, 100% 4G LTE, future-ready network. Second, true 4G LTE smartphones starting from 2,999 and Jio 5 only at 1,999 that enables all Indians to migrate to Jio's data strong network. Third, Jio's app subscription worth rupees 15,000 complimentary until 31st December 2017. Fourth, instant eKYC digital activations and a powerful MyJio for all your service needs. Fifth, free domestic voice calling. Sixth, the simplest and most attractive tariff plan in the market with the lowest data rates anywhere in the world. Seven, all complex telecom charges like blackout days eliminated. 8. Special offer for students with 25% more data. 9. Geo services for enterprises to transform them to digital businesses. And 10. White glove exclusive services and features for our platinum customers. But, ladies and gentlemen, there is one more thing we are announcing today. That starting coming Monday, the 5th of September 2016, Jio's data, voice, video, and the full bouquet of Jio's application and content will be available for everyone, absolutely free. We are calling this the Jio Welcome Offer. This is perhaps the largest introductory offer anywhere in the world. We Indians have come to appreciate and applaud Gandhigiri. Now, every Indian can do Datagiri, which is an opportunity. This Datagiri is an opportunity for every Indian to do unlimited good things with unlimited data. Now, every Indian can do Datagiri